Ever feel like you're just going through the motions? Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. That's life on autopilot, and while it feels safe, it's quietly draining your sense of purpose. Welcome to SmartLife LevelUp, where we turn powerful ideas into practical habits. Today, we're breaking out of autopilot mode with 5 daily habits proven to restore focus, direction, and meaning. The first habit is start with intention. The way you start your day shapes your brain's focus for hours. According to research from Stanford, just 2 minutes of mindful reflection in the morning can improve decision-making and emotional regulation throughout the day. Ask yourself, what truly matters today? Then set one clear intention to guide your actions. The second habit is practice single tasking. When you multitask, you're not doing more, you're doing less effectively. A University of London study found that switching tasks repeatedly can temporarily lower IQ by up to 15 points. Focus on one thing at a time and give it your full attention, even for short bursts. You'll finish faster and feel calmer. Habit number 3. Check in with yourself. Most people check emails more than emotions, but a Yale study found that self-awareness is one of the strongest predictors of well-being and resilience. Take 1 minute, twice a day, to pause and ask, how am I feeling? And what do I need right now? It's a small pause that can change the tone of your entire day. Habit 4 is schedule white space. When every minute is packed, your brain can't process, create, or rest. Neuroscientists call it the default mode network. It's when your brain connects ideas and finds meaning. Block out 10 to 15 minutes each day to do nothing. No screens, no tasks. Just breathe and be. That quiet time is where clarity returns. And finally, reflect and reset. At the end of the day, take 5 minutes to look back. What gave you energy? What drained it? Studies show that daily reflection boosts clarity and reduces stress by up to 23%. Reflection isn't dwelling, it's data for growth. When you live intentionally, every day has purpose, even the quiet ones. Start small. Choose one habit and practice it daily. Over time, you'll stop reacting and start directing your life. Which of these habits will you start this week? Share it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to SmartLife LevelUp for more research-backed strategies to live smarter, not harder.